Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Gmail. On desktop, go to Mail. Google.com. On mobile, launch the Gmail app. Enter your Google username and password, then complete any two-step verification prompts. Once signed in, make sure you're using a secure network and that sync is enabled so messages load. If you manage multiple accounts, use the profile icon to switch or add accounts. This keeps personal and work mail separate. Now, move to the inbox, where you'll take action on messages. Once in the inbox, scan headers and apply labels or stars to prioritize, drag messages to folders or create filters to automate sorting. When you compose, click Compose, type recipients, add a clear subject, then write a concise opening. Make use of formatting, insert links, and attach files. Choose Drive for big documents. Before sending, press the Send button or use Schedule Send to delay delivery. Make sure to proofread and add recipients to CC or BCC correctly. You finish by customizing settings, set a signature, enable keyboard shortcuts, and create filters to automate future workflows. Make sure your storage isn't full. Check the bottom left quota indicator and clear large attachments if needed. If messages don't arrive, inspect spam, promotions, and the blocked addresses list. One key troubleshooting tip: use undo send immediately if you made an error. If problems persist, sign out and back in, clear cache, or review account recovery options to restore access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.